that? And to my surprise, was one of the donors.
Yeah.
He said to me, Colors, I am one of the donors, you know, who support you. I said, you're kidding?
No, he's not kidding.
He was saying, calm down, I'll go get in a park. I'll soon be back.
Yeah.
You saw now over there waiting. I see this gentleman come and say, yes, Colors. This is Pete, me and my wife.
Yeah.
We're one of the donors who support you, bro.
Pete and Dana.
Pete and Dana. Dana, I love you so much and I love your husband. So he gave me $5,000 that same very night.
Beautiful.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
Material not supposed to add, the material supposed to run. You put them on the wall, you can spread up on the wall. So if you watch it all about and play and rest. Come on, just take it in. Mine, you know? Swing it down. watch it now. Left and right today, can you left and right? Yes, left and right. Left and right. Come cats man. It's all about the wrist. Yeah, it's all about the wrist.
Show them Talpi. Talpi with boxing.
Shovel. Where is the cut? It's supposed to slide off the shovel. Slide off. Let me do so. Slide off. Slide off and it will stick onto the wall. It's open. There's a wrist play on the wall. Wrist play. By the way, I read off this. Alright, let's put on bandage. See if I put on some marker. So let's do a stop. Yeah.
I try to use the lens. The lens are close.
Let me get there.
Come on, let's bump on it. The wrist. Make your wrist go up and flex. But the upper enough. Watch it here. Can you stick now? Watch it. So stick on. Stick on. Look. It can really come so easy. You have to practice to get perfect. Practice to get perfect. Yeah, practice. The practice, you know?
Yes, that all them Talpi.
Don't stop practice. Have your attention, man. That's what I do. Let's put down. Beautiful.
Visit, bro.
Yeah, so now we have to always show them the cottage.
Long time the donors them don't see me. Don't it?
Yes, I.
Wow. I can see Kodisa smiling. She love around here, look.
Yeah, the cottage blinging.
Oh gosh. Alone sleep from morning, you know. Yeah, but we ain't going to the airport a little more because on Tuesday it's very slow.
Can you move your polka dot to me, please?
You want it right over?
Yeah, the color before you blind the camera. My eyes. I always tell you so you have to always look out for the camera.
Well, what I want to say, right,
What's up, Lido?
I can't stop talking about you guys.
Yeah.
Both male and female. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
How me could I tell them about this and I live all them life? The donors, take a look here. I could tell them about this. I was gonna able to live this time of life here.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, man can't stop big up donors. I know more big up.
Colors getting fridge, right?
Oh, the fridge. You want to look inside? Plenty juices in it still.
So people, this is fridge stock out.
Yeah.
With box juice, orange juice, chocolate. Why I'm having chocolates?
Yeah, we
you know, man, love him chocolate.
Go to the airport for about a week, so all the juices, you know, they get. Yeah, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, them drink out.
Yeah.
And you know, cornflakes from fridge stop and fast cup.
Nice. Yeah, I just buy this
food.
Yeah, you know, I was very hungry, so I ate it all half.
Yeah, not.
Yeah, but we have cornflakes, we have oats there.
Yeah, I realize that everything, you know, you have your jacuzzi, you have your TV for a while.
Man. You know who I want to big up? Mr. Pete.
Oh, Pete and Dana.
Yes, he gave me Odisa, one of the donors. I was at airport.
Why?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna took out that
disco light
there. The disco light there, ain't it?
No man, you can't keep it for your comfort. Don't worry, cause I'm just videoing now. So
okay.
It's your comfort.
So they will see everything clear.
So hopefully them can see something clear.
Because I was gonna send go get one
No man, you're alright man, you can't spoil the moment, you know.
Yes, Mr. Pete.
That's what in your
Could
bringing.
one of the donors? I was at airport. I'm here somebody.
Come now, Colors. Come out yourself, so.
Yeah, I heard somebody pass and say Colors. So I was wondering, damn, who the hell is that? And to my surprise, was one of the donors.
Yeah.
He said to me, Colors, I am one of the donors, you know, who support you. I said, you're kidding?
No, he's not kidding.
He was saying, calm down, I go get in a park. I soon be back.
Yeah.
You saw now over there waiting. I see this gentleman come and say, yes, Colors. This is Pete, me and my wife.
Yeah.
We're one of the donors who support you, bro.
Pete and Dana.
Pete and Dana. Dana, I love you so much and I love your husband. So he gave me $5,000 that same very night. Yeah, they were saying, Colors, we're proud of you, bro. Look how you buy the fridge, you buy the chestnut jar, you buy the fan. So I was saying I just didn't need the help. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, and I tell him how much I love Kino so much. Can't stop thanking Kino. Yes, man. Yeah, liquor. Alright, you see everybody when I see at airport, the first thing I ever tell him no could is about this virgin here. Yeah. Yeah, I have to love him, man.
Colors, bring something for you, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
What is he saying, bro?
Christmas gone, but we're still giving out belated fish.
Wow.
We're still giving out belated
It's
fish.
Jella that over there. What are you doing?
And we have this package here for you.
This is a package here.
Yeah,
Oh my
from
God.
Nina and Kiba.
Nina and Kiba.
Two chocolates.
Wow. Really? They are Cadbury and Hershey's?
But I don't know, they're sisters, two sisters.
Wow. They're supposed to Cadbury and Hershey's, bro.
Chocolates.
Those is my favorite chocolate, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. Cadbury and Hershey's.
So like them send a gift is probably the favorite one then.
Wow.
So your favorite. Probably got some chocolate inside, you never know. You have chocolate in the bag.
Okay.
So that's Nina and Kiba, so let's pick them up.
Yeah, man, Nina and Kiba, I love you chocolate so much. Thank you very much. Yeah, can't stop thank you people, man. Never. Colors never stop bigging up the donors and those people who watches me on the program, and when I'm at the airport and they flew in and they saw me, they say, Colors, come on, bro.
Come on,
Hold this, bro.
Hold this.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying? We love the fridge, you know. So I said, yeah, I was serious. I was gonna get it, bro. Because what I'm saying, the cottage, this really need the fridge.
Of course.
Yeah, and then first before the fridge, me and your auntie, we went down by the store, and like she was saying, no, when I saw her say, Tiki, you know, I need a chestnut jar. So she said, yo, let's go down the store there.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'll get the little partner money. And I purchased the chestnut jar, bro. And then she was saying to me, you can pay down on the fridge. I said, really?
Yeah.
I paid down 2,000.
Straight away.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop
Till
money
it's all complete.
Yeah,
and this is the fridge
oh
now.
my God.
Colors.
It's a black point.
Oh, you say black point?
Yeah.
So it's really on point.
Brown fridge.
Yeah, that.
Black point. And the very moment me put something in there, you know, in seconds, you know.
Freeze?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, they were freezing. Even the air conditioned fan here.
Yeah.
Sometime in the night I have to turn it off. Very cold, man.
Cold breeze.
You said if I didn't know Kino, you was coming, I would put on a better sheet. Although that sheet is okay still, ain't it?
Last time you have on Louis beat the man.
Okay. Could you say, you know we have Louis sheet too.
Yeah,
Oh, you knew?
Oh, you see man with the Louis beat.
Oh my God. Oh, you saw it?
Yeah.
Me have a friend live over Federal. He gave me money the last time to go get the blue and white one for him.
Oh.
But when I went down there, they all sold off.
I buy a phone.
No, most of the people remember.
Can't you one of them seat for your bed, you know?
Yeah, the
Put
man
it
see
out.
it and say, Colors, you can't go. Me say, I will. You see when me go down there?
Yeah.
I may go about 5 stores. So me say, the best thing, bro, I'm gonna bring back your money. Because I don't want to buy no crap come give you, bro.
That you them sell off, you know, because I want them seat on your bed for the program.
Gosh.
Go buy it.
You get what I'm saying?
Go buy it.
But guess what I want to do now, Kino? You see those Chanel thing over there?
Yeah.
I want to tuck down those, and then I'm gonna put 2 of these over there.
Okay.
And then put one right here.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put a green sheet on the bed there.
Oh.
On the jacuzzi.
Oh, and this is what we have Gucci.
Oh no, this is a Gucci, green and white Gucci.
Sure.
And we have like our we have a red and white Gucci too.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get me? But we're gonna put 2 of these now over there because We don't want those over there too long, innit?
No.
Yeah.
Alright then, the colors.
Yeah, man. So, I know what I want to do, Kino? I want to get some t-shirt. Your aunt, she said, when we get them, she gonna carry me go get them print.
Yeah.
Because I wanna, you know, colors.
Colors.
And I want some of my donors to even get some of those t-shirts. Yeah. You get me? I ain't gonna sell them, you know. So long as they can get to them over there.
Yeah.
Even a dozen.
So what you must do whenever them cars them set here, when them come at the airport, just make sure you have some of the shirts.
That's what I want to do, bro.
Just print the colors.
Well, guess I know. I'm supposed to get a little partner money like next month.
Yeah.
Because you know the airport get back very slow now.
Yeah.
So I hard they raising the money.
Yeah.
So when I get the little partner like next month, me go buy even a dozen.
Yeah.
And then me little take me out there, me pay to print them. Took some bashment picture. You get me?
And put on it.
Oh my gosh.
You know, alright colors.
Which is right. So any donors or viewers, anybody from at the airport and any one of you guys came in, I ain't gonna sell you, but you guys. I would just say, yo, you know I have something here for you.
Yeah. Colors.
Yeah, you get me? Yeah. So
then
I'm just gonna look what is in this package here and go back on the jacuzzi bed there
and go and
relax. So big up to you, Kino. Can't stop big you up, bro. You are the man. Who made me have this.
Yeah.
And big up my donors 24/7s. I love you like whoa.
Whoa.
Can't stop, love you guys.
Not like the wow chef.
Oh,
like
you
wow.
couldn't know, man.
Every time.
Okay.
Big up.
Yeah, man.
Natural.
Turn the board long way. Long way. Yeah, don't turn it right. So now I get the right top right now. Give me a play a flag. Hold on, give me a play. A 36 by 36 we have put in, yeah?
36 by 36.
Yeah, 36 by 36.
Okay, so
the thing there. The player, the window, well.
yeah.
I'll come on, the other side, this side there, naturally, see? It's a pattern. Do something on this side. See the bump the other side. No, man. Go for it. No, follow the bump here. We'll go for this. Because this gone, so. See? So the window here, so. I put the 36 by 36. Why I say that? This can low, so. Because I look at this lintel.
Yeah.
And this fall, no one really no. So that's why I have 36.
Okay.
So I'm going to chip off this and flash it and dress it. And ear so to ear so now. 36.
Okay.
Yeah, just boxes.
Yeah, boxes. Yeah.
So I have 36 by 36. It now be so low.
Yeah.
4 feet. And I mean, you need to put yourself 4 feet window.
4.
You tap by ear. 36 by 36.
Yeah, because you have Fabulous Brothers, we always purchase the winning them from. So I know say he's watching this as well to Fabulous Brothers. So, yeah. So that's the size that we're gonna need, Fabulous Brother. That's big.
Yeah, I'm getting you.
Can't hold him. That feel him can't hold you. Can't hold you. Can't hold you, man.
Want to keep moving.
Moving.
Yeah, I like the fox. Want to keep moving like the fox. One general lady.
That is mixing mortar, cement, gravel and water. Jeez. The light part, yes, I see.
I'm not there up on the board today, you know?
Yeah.
Off the board, I'm not here.
I know, say, remix the out here so right now and can't do no more remix. Remix there as a flash.
Remix, so them put it on the wall, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, so the mixing is great.
Perfect mixing.
Alright, pre-mix. How will the cement company name again?
Premix.
Pre-mix the name?
Yes, premix. I have ready mix.
Okay.
Ready mix.
So like they are the bitter boat.
I want to do that ready mix.
Yeah. No, yeah, female to start mixing. Yeah. You have the young mix. You have the young mix. Young mix, remix, pre-mix, refix.
Give me a piece of radar bone.
I never know where that boy.
Rasta Jackson.
Hold on.
Why?
Yes, probably.
I want to move this star. Just reach.
Why?
Just reach and set. Natural with the flashing and dashing. Natural, but just as to say, you really flash fast still. You tell me say, when you have flash your speed, I'm really see it. Yeah, speedy. Yeah, man, speedy, man, not flash. So you know, so when tall P reach all the level of tall P, I run him and a splash, you know. I no wait, man. Start shoot no man. When tall P ready, man, say run and a splash.
Yes, man.
Can't hold him.
Can't hold him, man.
Great job, tall P again, man. Tall P learn it. Tall P back some go all. When we come fast, man, tall P back some go all over here, so.
Yeah.
But tall P back some go all over here, so.
Keep the artist, to clean up the drum, yeah?
Yeah. Of course. Clean as you go, you know what I'm saying? Station have to clean. Of course.
Yeah.
Sure. So you can see ready. So you know so that spot here, so you
I love the material.
a premix.
Lie there.
Original.
Just lie there. Ready? Ready. That's right. Come on. Now go on my black side there.
There's a light parts on the material, you know whatever it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, right from man.
Jella.
Right from
Mix man, I'm putting them on. Them not ready for me.
Go. Yeah man, new face of the premix company, huh? Of course. Can make your work easy though. Make your work more easier. Yeah. Please splash up my camera.
Yeah, that, you know, splash up my eye.
Splash Flash up the eye.
Go with the eye in that car. I'll make sure the eye alright, yeah.
Come on, lay it up on this.
I'll do it up on one.
I'll look on this. Come up on this. You spray this.
Alright,
So you spray out this.
yeah.
You spray this now. This is the last thing I spray.
Oh. Here from board.
Come on. Simple thing. Somebody line up on next block. Somebody line up on next block.
No man, sit down with Kino.
This?
Yeah, natural. No, drop off, man.
Yeah, not too
Close.
now.
Only movie star will tell them, you know, so United will stand. Fuck. You say a unity I do it, it's a lot of strength this.
Strength.
Yes, sir.
Strength is power.
Strength is power. Yeah.
With your strength, I will live as one, no?
Yeah. Of course.
So divide it to fall.
I go fall. Because I got unbalance.
Yeah.
You want the bird to fly on one wing, get unbalanced.
Balance, huh? I'm tell you man,
Cannot fly on one wing. So yeah. And when them fly in a pack. Yeah, I wonder how them use.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.